Dairy Queen has a new Blizzard.
It's cotton candy.
Blizzard.
It looks like this. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm finna try it. Am I the only one? We be doing this. One time it fell on me.
For real?
Yeah. They be saying if it fall, you get a free one, but.
Didn't get your free one. I shouldn't even be eating this. Good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That pop.
What pop?
No, ice cream.
It's a pop?
Crunch. This is really good. This might be my favorite one.
I wonder what I'm eating for dinner. That Blizzard.
I like this. It's real calm. It's calm and good. And I like that it's like, this is not like chocolate. Because I feel like all Dairy Queen flavors have like chocolate, like are made out of chocolate.
I should have got a hot dog.
From there?
Mm-hmm. I'm just
They sell hot dogs? Oh.
I would not get no Dairy Queen hot dog. But I get that Blizzard.
I think people say their chicken is good, but I don't know.
Chicken? Oh no.
Chicken tenders and fries? I don't know what they know for. I think just their Blizzards.